Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Great Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Well, in this video, we are going to compare few of the forex expert advisor. I have just created a video where we compared a couple of gold expert advisor, and since we are already completing almost 2 months today, and as I mentioned in my previous videos, that generally our VPS used to expire in the month of November and or by December second week. Okay, so few of the VPS got expired and few are going to expire very soon. So before they get expired, let me just create another video. I have just created a gold review where we compared 5 gold EA performance for the past 2 months, and now I'm going to review forex expert advisor. Uh, Most of them are running from the last 2 months. And why 2 months? Because at the year end, generally we do not use to trade with the expert advisor mostly. Even if we trade, we are very certain to just one or maximum two. And also at the year end, in the month of October, November, elections were about to happen, and in November and December, after the elections and before the elections, and later on at the year end, a lot of manipulations and speculations and a lot of uncertainties were there. So, along with the geopolitical tensions and the war situations, there were many things that are about to happen or are happening or already happened. So it was a very risky time, as per us, that how these expert advisors are going to perform or have performed during these volatile sessions that we are talking about. Okay, so most of the EA that we are talking about right now, few of them we traded on demo accounts and few of them we were trading on real accounts. So please don't mind even if they are on demo accounts, because this was just a demonstration just to check that whether these expert advisors were able to sustain in these kind of very unforeseen and like uncertain kind of situations where a lot of things happening and happened. Okay, so let's start here. Okay, so first of all, it is EACDSMC. I have created a separate video on this, I think last to last week, so you can check that what kind of that how it works on. It generally like used to use some concepts of smart money concepts like change of character or break of structure, and also it uses a fixed stop loss. And so since it uses fixed stop loss, so anyways, the maximum drawdown was 3.63% and the monthly is around 3.40%. Okay, and this is specifically for Euro USD so far. And this is in the month of October, we made just 0.71%. In November, we made 5.18%, and so far 0.89%. Guys, you understand when there is a stop loss, then it depends like how many times your stop loss get hit and how many times your take profit get hit, right? And if you see the history, there are just these 46 trades in last 2 months. Okay, so you can see these were the stop loss hit, right? And few of the TP hit it. Even if the stop loss hit it, few of them are trading stop. So you can check these statistics because it would be very difficult for me to go one by one on this. This is EACD SMC. Okay. So there is another, this is EACD TH. This we started with 2K, and the maximum drawdown was 16.89% and the monthly was around 4.83% so far. Okay. These are the statistics. Okay, these are the two running trades right now. History, you can go to the history and you can check like what kind of trades it has taken so far. It is like we are using 3 or 4 pairs over here. Okay, you can check the histories. These are the two open trades right now, and on the October in we made 2.41, in November we made 4.77, and in December we made 2.49%. Okay, this expert advisor used to be trade on the reverse signal where the reversal zone is there. Okay, and now the next expert advisor is, this is don't bother expert advisor. DB means don't bother on significant risk. Okay, you know the like as you have seen my previous videos, don't bother expert advisor uses a proper risk management where you just have to choose the risk and Accordingly, it will open the trades, and even you do not have to choose a lot size. If you want to change it on your own by choosing fixed lot size or anything, then that is a separate thing. Otherwise, just choose a risk level and it will manage the risk on its own. Okay, so this is on the significant risk. The maximum drawdown so far was 2.87%, and the monthly is around 3.30%. Okay, and these are the statistics. Okay, long 76. This is also good, I think. These are the few running trades right now, around 7.68, and history in 2 months, just 121 trades, and we are trading with 3 pairs. Okay, so that's also good, quite impressive. And month-wise, it's in the month of October we made 2.5%, in November we made 2.73%, and in December we made 1.31% so far. Okay, so this is don't bother expert advisor. Now let's go to the fourth one. This is GPPM PU. Okay, GPPM PU, and this was updated till I think. Okay. Well, this expert advisor, unfortunately, this expert advisor, like where it was trading on, the VPS got expired, and we don't have any spare VPS space, so we had to stop the update on this. So the last update was on December 11. Okay, so when it has closed all the trades. Okay, so we started with 10K here, and the maximum drawdown was 14% so far, till it has worked on, and the monthly was around 61.30%. These are the statistics, and this is what the monthly wise. Monthly wise, in October we made 31.47. In November it was 58.1%. In December till 11th it was already 18.48%. Okay, so we increased the lot size later. So here also you can check the history. Okay, you can check the history. Earlier we were trading with 0.5, then later on we increased it to 0.75 for 2-3 days, and then we increased it to 1 lot size. Okay, so this was GPPM PU on 10K. Now this is EAK. This is for MT5. This is the only EA for MT5 actually. The maximum. Actually, this was already stopped, and the VPS was already stopped, and we didn't realize it earlier. So it was already stopped on November 25, but we realized it later, and we didn't have any spared VPS. So that is the reason we realized it later and then stopped the update on December 2nd. Okay. So far from October 14 till November 25th. So almost like not 1.5 month, but maybe 1 month and quarter of month. Okay. So the maximum drawdown was 11.53%, and the monthly was around 8.52%. So these are the statistics. Okay. This is these all the history. This is also multi-currency pair expert advisor. So you can check the history here. And on monthly wise, in October we made 6.36, and in November it has generated 5.42%, while it traded till November 25. Okay, so this was the sixth expert advisor that we just discussed. Now this is the seventh one, that is hedge expert advisor with the new settings. Okay, so far the maximum drawdown on, I think like we are trading 5 pairs. Yes, 5 pairs, and the maximum drawdown is 8.11%, and the monthly is around 4.72%. In default setting, it is very aggressive and used to trade very aggressively, and it used to scalp the trades. Okay, but with the new settings, generally, like the new settings are comparatively less riskier. Otherwise, you can trade it on default mode as well. Okay, so these are what the statistics is. I think like we already discussed the drawdown and return. Okay, so right now the running trades 13.40, Monthly was around 1.47%. In November, it was 5.89%. And December, it was 2.04% so far. So this is on, we were trading on 5 pairs. Okay. Now, how many we have completed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is the seventh one. That is Quant Forex. Okay. Quant Forex, it used to take very selective trades, scalp short, and fast entry and fast exit. Okay. So the maximum drawdown is 0.18% and the monthly is around 0.87%. This is the only one that we started with 800. However, even if we trade with 300, that would have been okay, because this used to take very less trades, and there is a drawdown management as well, where you can just select like what kind of drawdown that you would like to have at the max, and automatically when it reaches to that drawdown, all trades will be closed. Okay. So if you see, like, longs one 100%, shorts one 89%, profit factor 5.75. Okay. So that sounds very impressive. However, the profitability is very low, but yes, the risk is also low as well. In October, we made 0.5%. In November, it's just 1%. Okay. In December, 0.06% so far. And if you see the history, there are just 24 trades. When did we started with? On October 5th, October 16 we started, and December 3, I think this EA also got expired. I mean, not EA got expired, actually the VPS also got expired. Otherwise, there is no update later on. So after December 3, there is no update, and probably we realized it later. So that is the reason we stopped it on December 10. So we see, like, this is December 3. Anyways, these are the only 24 trades it has taken. Okay. So if you see, even if the profitability is very low, only 2 trades out of these seems to be on red. Otherwise, all are in green. Whatever the profitability is, but apart from these 2 trades, all has been green. So this is why this seems to be very less drawdown, and yes, of course, a bit of less profit as well. And the deposit was also just 800. Even if we could have done 300, then probably the drawdown would have been 1.5% or maybe 2%. Okay, so depends, because like at what equity that you started with. But we started with 800 just because, as I said, in the month of December or November, elections, war situation, geopolitical tensions, and the year end, the most important is year end was about to come. So we started with 800, even we can trade it with the 300 or maybe 400 or even less also. Okay. So you can just simply just choose a drawdown level. Well, this was expert advisor. No, I think this expert advisor also we stopped, but this was the one that we traded with from April 15. I mean April 15th of April till December 5. So the last update was December 7. Okay. So this was the one that we were trading it for a longer time. Well, anyways, my intention was to choose these expert advisor that we were trading during these last 2 months. Even the Fab expert advisor was also running on, but yes, this video is on these 7 expert advisor that we were comparing with each other. This is Quant Forex 1. This is Hedge Expert 2. This is EAK 3. This is GPPMPU 4. This is Don't Bother 5. This is EACDTH 6, and this is EACDSME 7. So we compared 7 expert advisor. Even if you want to take Fab expert advisor, then it would be 8. But yes, as of now, we are just focusing on these 7 expert advisor, because these expert advisor we started almost together in the similar time frame during the second week of October, that is from October 14 onwards, and these that we can compare. Guys, I have just created a gold review expert advisor video as well. So in that particular video, I compared the five gold expert advisors. So if you have already seen this forex EA review, then probably you would like to have that gold EA comparison review as well. So I would highly suggest you to go through that video as well. Guys, thank you very much, and I wish you a good luck and a very happy, profitable forex journey. But yes, this is not a financial advice. Just want to uh, clear this thing that forex is very risky. Do not ever trade if you don't understand forex market. And even if someone suggests you that it is very profitable, but use your own due diligence, because there is uh, no investment or anything exist in this world which is risk free. And forex is very, very risky, and we are trading with leverage, so it makes it more riskier. So never trade with the money that you have for emergency fund, or you have borrowed from someone, or you have taken loan. Never invest that kind of money in forex market. It could be a cushion for you, it could be an additional cushion for you, but yes, that is not sure certain. It cannot replace your primary income. Never. It can never replace your primary income. So only focus on your primary income. And if you learn forex, then you can apply some kind of money before you like. Sometimes you can trade on paper trading, or maybe demo trading, and then you can trade it on real account. Okay, so but yes, please consider that that the both the faces of the coin. Do not just see only the profit part, but do consider the risk part, which is more crucial. So with this, I wish you a very good luck. Thank you very much for staying with me. And if you have any query about any of these expert advisor, I will provide with the portfolio link of my portfolio, where you can just check all the expert advisor uh, attached with my FX book, which are still running, which has been closed recently or in the past. And you can compare and can just analyze all of them. And if you have any question, you can contact me on email or Telegram. I have mentioned my email and Telegram in the video description. Again, I thank you very much for staying with me and to watch this video. And if you can share it across, or you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are just a viewer so far, that would be very kind, kind gesture of you. And thanks again, guys. Thanks for staying with me. I wish you good luck in future.